still waiting for one another. They're also doing something. This is community group, committee group. I mean, not community group. Yeah, videoing. Kiki book is doing. Okay.
Hi, bro. You came. How is the Josh?
It was nice.
Welcome. Boom, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling so feeling.
How much excitement?
I'm so excited.
How big?
I'm ready to go this much.
Wow. Hey. Hey guys. How are you feeling? How is the Josh? Yay, let's go. Only 5.
Thank you. This is
Sure.
everyone.
Hi sis, you came.
A YouTuber ma. Hello.
Okay,
We are so excited to go for the Bible camp.
This is what they done in Cook before. Come now, sort of the this one.
Me too.
Regina. I always forgot her name.
Hey. It's not fair. It's Regina.
Regina. Name right? And what about that one?
Ngole name right?
You're also from Pame?
No.
From the,
No, I'm from Young Clan.
where is it? These are our 2 resource person. They're having some, I don't know, kind of discussion. They're having ordinate chai. And then people are behind here. They're having discussion. And people are also discussing there. I know what is going on. Hello. Miss Ruth. Her name is Ruth. One of the organizer and managing team. No, it's okay. You're like that only. The combiner shop. So Ram le Roma. Le Roma ho gaya bagaraya. So Ram le Roma bag Roma te gelo.
So that's the bus. Huh? That's the bus.
Yeah. Koi Ram hai.
It will take another half an hour to journey at best.
Koi Ram bag Roma te gelo.
Yo, pasar gua kan pergi bila ni pasar kan mana?
We are now packing our things. We're keeping our bag inside here. The bus. After which we will go after the packing. Hoi, hoi, hoi. Chalo. Tiền này kìa. Trong tao vậy vậy.
Anywhere.
Lượt trông nữa. Hi bro. Let's go in.
So, two people go fast. Hey, sort of one. Wait. No.
Tingin lang ka na, Diego.
Guitar material.
Ready?
I'm ready. Ano siya?
We're also ready. Hey. Our second P zone. Hello guys, they're outside. Some people are peeing and waiting. Dalyang. Yeah, we're in Zay. Come on. Go là. Dễ.
Regina. Zeme.
Regina.
Dia lima. Oh. No le. Oh yeah. I want to eat rice only now. Hungry.
You're eating game.
That's so well.
Wilson,
I went to watch.
sit at me.
I should.
Sit at me, Ruth.
And I'm hungry.
Okay, how is your excitement?
Let's taste yours.
Excitement ko, very less.
Okay, when is you?
And I saw very
Let's taste yours.
I forgot to share.
Yours is not chips, man.
Check my status, okay, everyone? I just
Wow.
went to river.
Strawberry mo pa, grossberry tumbler eh.
Oi.
Bilo.
Hey. Robin hình lâu
Walking low, hallelujah. Good job, hey.
Small tiny boat. We're in the mountain along with the river.
Uy, maulo.
Hola.
Uy, niya, ulan niya na yun. Yung kulan. Wow. Yung kulan yun, sobe.
This is a diversion of the river.
No, this is yung kulan. Chicken yung kulan.
Diversion of the river. Where's the horse?
Biggest boat in the world ka na ako.
Jahat malay boat lahe. This mountain coming very late, yeah.
Udah. Ini.
This is the Pasawa part, people.
Ini aki wala dah. Hana ka pa kaya ba?
People are living there. How come?
Your hand is shaking like anything.
No, very heavy. Everyone is here.
Sama-sama.
Yeah, hello. We are very dark.
Microphone Diego. Hello there.
YouTube का नहीं ना जो. YouTube का कई बजे.
We are on the way to Manali.
Yeah, video dong nama sih.
Almost reaching. Only 2 hours left. We're waiting for the snow.
To reach Manali.
Manali, yes.
Anything you want to say, bro?
Feel dizzy.
Once more. Please like and subscribe to our brother channel.
To my brother channel. We're almost reaching Manali now. We're in the surrounding area. We're still on the way.
Looks like bread.
Oh, we have bridge. We're crossing the bridge. Us got it, right?
Somebody look at the view.
Hello. Wow, man. No kapas ka bebe mako. Hi, hi.
Hi.
Hello, hello. Hi. Hi. Hi, Pastor. Hi. Hey, everyone say hi, hi. We're just hanging. Good morning from Manali. We're finally here. Look at my background. There's one vehicle coming again. Hello, bro. Hello. Yeah. Hi, bye. Hello, everyone. Say hi. Hi. Come, come. Hi, Giggle, hi. Everyone. Hi, hi. Hello, hello, hello. Hi. Hi, everyone. Hi, man. Hi, Zeme. Good morning from Manali, from the overbridge.
Kuna yase hoy. Drama started. Yes, almost there.
Welcome to what is it?
Okay, this here, please click this one. This here we're going to be.
Oh, yeah, this is the one.
This one.
Welcome to Camp Set Free.
Wow. Nice.
Welcome here. Hi.
Nice.
Wow, the
Nice, nice.
like the day before yesterday, I saw Moiva coming in like this.
Ah. Oh, is it not?
Oh, this is.
Oh, yeah, it's different. Different kind of fruit.
You guys know me? Yeah, I came for this event and I usually come for helping them when there is event like this. Welcome to Manipur, Manali.
Thank you.
This is the entrance for boys' room. I'm gonna go up and check the room. Yeah, this is reception. And just wanted to show you the room. Hi, this is convener.
Yeah.
Everything will go under him today.
Yes.
Hi, this is the step. Coming back, okay?
Okay.
And this is the surrounding. We're going to be here. I think some people is already here. Yeah, for 8 people here. 8 people will be here. And another 8 boys. Another 8 boys will be here accommodating. Boss, balcony, everything is good, yeah. The room looks good. This is the outside view of Manali. Look at myself. This is for people, 8 room. And finally, I'm going to show you my room. And this fruit, I don't know what is this actually. It is not available in my village. And this is the edge of the room. There is one sofa which is already spoiled. And finally, I'm getting into my room. This is our room. 12 of us will be here. Some of them will be here. And then some of them will be there. This is balcony outside. Wow. and I will be sleeping here
No, I'll be sleeping.
with my two friends. So this is it, our room. Rest. We'll show you around again after when the program has started. This so right outside we can sit, relax, and have good time. And नीचे में लड़की बैठ रहा है. YouTuber are YouTubing. Not bad, not bad. I just wanted to zoom it for you guys if you can see the edge of that mountain. This is Manali. People are waiting for the breakfast, and I think this is the room where we'll be doing the worship. We'll be having our service session. At all time, I was made to worship. I was made to bless your name. Bro, can I come in now? Okay. Sure. On the curry and then purish. Brother, it okay?
All for Jesus, egg for Jesus.
Yeah. Sabji for Jesus. Yeah. No. I was made for your embrace. Room fresh, mina photo ang ganda. Really fresh.
It's fine. Are you there?
Where's not it okay? Laula, I come. Have well. It will okay. Sister. Think you know? Sure, no, 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 no,
Nan keram do ha. challenge is mad with the wishing me. Come on, Ricky, come let me at
There's long line.
bro.
This is our first refreshment after coming here. The items are very special. These people are serving us. Brothers are serving us. Bro, this apple is from this Manali, right? Yeah.
Looking up with it.
हम ना कोई कमा रहेंगे. Thank you, chalo no, bro.
Double.
Gì chứ mà cái đó? Roti chạy pe. Yeah. Chalo, over there. Table okay?
This is for curry, right?
Chalo, over there. Convenience sa
Yes.
अच्छा से खाओ.
How much this one? One. How much do we take?
I think.
20.
You can take. So about the content, you know. First refreshment. Let's rock it. Take nó được không? Bộ tôi nó bay bồ nhiều tụi đó cả. Ra xong giờ kiểu đó cả. Chalo, thank you again, bro. Yeah.